What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Well, we already unboxed it, but I wanted to take the time to actually introduce you guys to dr.schools. These are diabetes and circulatory ankle socks. I've been wearing them for quite a while. I just want to say that these are truly amazing. Even if you're not diabetic, it's still really good sock because it actually helps you go on throughout the day. So, like I mentioned, I wanted to take a moment to advertise basically. Oh, huge sponsor to Walmart. They saw them at Walmart once again. Thank you, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to talk to you guys about these socks. So everybody usually goes to socks. I usually have one. This is catered to basically the people that basically have a varus foot, or in terminology speaking, like a flat foot. So whenever you step down, like and you have like a ankle, basically you have like a lot of it, so you don't have a lot of motion. These are amazing for you. So I would recommend these. Even if you can also always get the Nike socks and all that. I know they're a bit tight, they're for more sporty, but I recommend these right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out, and I'm gonna show you why. So usually some socks, they have like a gold tip at the end. Those are the ones that basically work its way. The reason why I like these socks, especially for work shoes, is because I walk a lot at where I work, and literally, I remember one time I was wearing dress shoes, and I literally would walk almost, I'm gonna say, like 6 hours within the lunch break. My feet were pulsing as soon as I got home. I'm like, okay, this is not normal. I gotta buy new shoes, or I need to make insoles, and also the socks contributing too, because I had no support. But these right here, this right here keeps you warm, and it doesn't swell up. So in case your feet start to swell up, these will actually provide support. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the sock and how it is. So all this right here, it makes a huge difference. It has each of its own support. You have the bottom layer of it, which provides you grip. So you know how sometimes when you get like blisters at the bottom, these will prevent that. No matter how sweaty your feet get, or how hot it is, or you know, it absorbs the moisture and lets you keep on going throughout the day. This right here provides you support for your ankles in case you start to like get swelled up. These work the mysterious ways. Now, I want to show you something real quick. Of course, you're gonna need basically a diabetic shoe. Honestly, you don't really need a diabetic shoe. These are actually mine. I got these last year. Yeah, it's kind of hard to imagine that these are diabetic shoes because these look like skate shoes, but that was what I was going for because I wanted, not only did I want a work shoe, but I wanted to look professional. But yeah, a lot of people, like my buddy, he actually told me, oh, he thought these were Vans. I'm like, no, these are actually like diabetic shoes, but he didn't even know. I really like the stitches around it. I wanted it to be stylized, and these are simply amazing. These are actually anodyne. Sadly, they can't sponsor me, or they haven't said anything. But I am giving them a review video, and these are truly amazing. I had these for almost a year. There it is. You can see the inside of it. And here's a logo, anodyne. Great shoes. I love them. Comfortable. And I also purchased their insole. As you can see my feet here. It's truly amazing how we're able to. The comfortability of these are amazing. There's honestly there's no other shoe that I'd rather wear except these. Hopefully they have this model for continuing years and years to come. My best thing about these shoes, or any diabetic shoes in general, be sure to go and measure them, because normally I'm like a size 10.5, but weirdly I'm actually a 9 wide. So another thing too is many shoes are medium, so that plays another contributing factor, that some shoes are simply just like how will it fit. So medium obviously being squished in, versus wide giving you an expanded, which I have a wide foot, so wide would make sense. So normally you'd be wearing your socks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna put it on top of here. Normally you'd be wearing your socks like this, So it would provide support, and this is where the sock comes in. So you have your ankle there. That's where your temperature gauge is, and the bottom it's where you're moisturizing it from there. These will complement the insoles. Usually I do want to work on getting insoles, custom made, hopefully for my foot, but these have been made so far. So Anodyne, hit me up if you want to work together, collab. But yeah, I've been on the search, and I'm pretty sure that everybody is different in regards to getting shoes, socks. Everyone's it. I'm not saying everyone's picky. I'm just saying like everybody has their own format, which is understandable because it is really tough. You got to take care of your feet. Your feet are honestly, aside from your five senses, your feet is what keeps you moving, exercising, everything else in general. That's where I believe in, because after suffering injuries on my right ankle, I actually suffered an injury with my ankles when I was doing Insanity. I actually pulled my ligaments. It was painful. It was cold. I'll never forget. But yeah, guys, give these a shot if you are having problems with basically walking around, walking more than 6 hours, or occasionally bending and lifting up and etc. Yeah, these are, I think, about like right now, I think that I'm gonna say they go for $8-9, but they're totally worth it, guys. I know it's kind of pricey out of your budget, but trust me, your feet will thank you. Once again, it has temp-right technology, protective cushioning, and non-binding, so you won't get that extra like types of, and of course it's accepted by the Podiatric Medical Association. Of course they're gonna approve these. But other than that, guys, like I said, leave some comments below. Let me know if you use these diabetic socks, or how do you go about your day, or if there's any other custom socks that you prefer. I know that there's a gold toe. That's more of which are almost like diabetic in a way. I do like the gold toe, but like I said, I want to take care of my feet and prevent any more injuries. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, once again, these were Dr. Scholl's diabetic circulatory ankle socks, and I will see you next time.